Hi, my name is Connor Rigsby and I'm a 3L here at UF Law. This week's Lexis table tip is going to cover Lexis's headnotes.
So this week's tip is all about how to prepare for class while looking specifically at Lexis headnotes. So the first thing you're going to want to do in order to get to the headnotes is simply log into Lexis Plus. Once you do that, you're going to be brought to the law school homepage. And from there, you're just going to want to click Go to Lexis Plus. Now you're just going to want to make sure that you're on the legal research landing page, and you're going to use this search box to search for the case that you'd like to find headnotes for. You can do that by either typing in the case name or case citation. In this instance, I'm going to search for Penoyer v. Neff, and I'm going to just start by typing out the case name. Lexis is going to use the word wheel to offer suggestions based on what I'm typing. If you see the case name you're looking for generate here, I would just simply go ahead and click on that. And then once you're on your case, you can either scroll down or use this Go To feature to jump to headnotes. Now, headnotes are great because these are the key legal points of the case. So right here are all of the main issues discussed within the case, and they are word for word from the opinion. So that just means there's no editorializing going on here. It's word for word from the opinion. Another thing that I really love about headnotes is that they break it up based on the overall area of law, and then they have their subcategories all the way down. And so in Civ Pro, you'll probably learn about judgments, enforcements, and executions, and then a writ of execution, which is what this headnote discusses. Headnotes are a great tool to use for class prep to make sure you're understanding the main issues within the case, and specifically how those issues relate back to the different areas of law. Headnotes can also be very helpful when you're doing an open research assignment. So if you're doing an open research assignment, you're going to want to make sure that you see headnotes that relate back to your search terms. If you are not seeing headnotes that relate back to your search terms, the case you're on is probably not going to be a pivotal case in your argument. It could still be very helpful, but I would definitely look for headnotes that are on point when it comes to open research assignments. If you want to see where your headnote is in the opinion, simply click on HN and then the number of the headnote. And it will bring you right down word for word to that headnote, and you can scroll up and see some more of the context. Thank you so much for attending this week's tip.